Hello, dear all. Greetings. My salutations. How you doing, guys? Yeah, I'm sorry. I feel a bit tired right now, but it doesn't really mean that I'm not gonna be earning some money. It doesn't really mean that I'm not gonna be having some profit. It doesn't really mean that I'm gonna be very depressed, bored, and sad. No, it just means that I'm a bit. Sorry. It just means that I'm a bit tired, and if I make a dumb decision, for you to know, easy, right? So, wait, my chains. There you go. Do not forget to get into my Telegram VIP group because soon I'm gonna be dropping there something crazy. Hope you're gonna like it. So just go there. It's gonna be in the comment section below. That is the pinned comment right there. The first one that you're gonna see, the link for the Telegram group. So don't forget to join there, which is absolutely for free, by the way. Don't forget about it as well. At the same time, do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. We do have $55 in my balance today. Let's jump straight into trading. All right, I don't want to do nothing else right there. Okay, so we do have $55 right there. I'm going all in and I'm jumping for long here. I'm going for long here. I do have the euro and Japanese yen right here. Yeah, the reason for that is that after a strong decline, the price formed a reversal. Zigzag marks the bottom, green candles show upward correction, and Parabolic SAR switched below the chart. This is quite an important thing. At the same time, as you may notice, I do use for today Zigzag, Parabolic SAR, Aroon and Williams. Yeah, this is it. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry, not Aroon, but just Williams and Parabolic SAR and Zigzag. I may add Aroon later. I don't know. We'll see. It depends on the situation that we're gonna be in. Okay, 105 right now, which is alright. Ooh, all in, going for long, guys. We do have a strong bullish trend right here. You can see that we do have the consecutive green candles moving upward. Zigzag confirmed growth. Parabolic SAR support the move from the below. Why not? Just why not? Huh? Easy, right? And I know that almost in every video I'm showing you the indicators that I'm working with. I'm showing you the settings and everything. But this time, I just ask you to join my Telegram group and check the settings. Because after every video, almost always, I just post the settings for these indicators and you still keep asking, and I find it so unnecessary to share anymore because there are plenty of information in the Telegram group. So just go there and check it. Everything is right there, and the entry is for free. I don't know why why you are afraid of it. I have no idea, but you shouldn't be, honestly. You should go and check it. So 2 seconds, please. Here we go. $302 right now, right here. Boom shakalaka, boom 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 boom. I'm gonna go for the long here, definitely. I'm gonna buy it, and you can see that after a sharp drop, the price gave a green impulsive rebound. Zigzag marks a reversal upward. Parabolic SAR remains above, indicating a possible continued correction. So, yeah, despite of all these details, we're just going long, going upward. Easy, obvious, it is. And lately, I've been stressing a lot. I've been having some struggles a lot. And I got all the pimples all around my face, my forehead, my, I don't know, cheeks, chin, everywhere. I just have it. I just have them, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm gonna take care of myself. There we go. $389 right here. Okay, we're going max. Going for short here. Euro and American dollars. Euros and United States dollars, obviously. So here, what do we have? We have the following case. So after a strong raise. Why raise? So yeah, the situation here is not really that complicated, I would say. It's a bit straightforward. So after a strong rise, the price formed the top. Zigzag fixed the maximum red candle, started going down, and Parabolic SAR remains above the chart. So we do have some room here for falling, and we do have the option to go for short. Then this is definitely what I'm doing. Okay, $1,435 right there. I'm going all in, going for short, definitely. Clear downward trend we have here. Red candles continue just updating lows. Zigzag indicates ongoing decline. Parabolic SAR holds above the chart. Everything is kind of indicating and just, you know, hitting my face with the information that it's a upward, I'm sorry, with a downward trend, obviously. I know my hand is itchy, but yeah, these and a lot more can be found in my Telegram VIP group. Just go and check it out. It's going to be very much useful for you. I know that for sure. You are smart people. You know that you're going to be using, I know that you're going to be using this opportunity. You're going to be taking this opportunity and using all the information that you're going to be finding in the Telegram VIP group. So we have 10 seconds, and I feel like we're all going to be having $2,755.30 right there. And this is what I'm looking forward to have in a second. Here we go. Perfect moment, perfect motivation, the information and the structure of the tradings that I'm doing, and strategies, guys. Everything is a Telegram group. Everything. My base and my allies, they are all in the Telegram group. Just go there again and again and again. Everything is for free. You're not paying for anything. The entry is for free. The information is for free. There's an open space, but inside of the, you know, small group, there are some people that I'm having right there, and I'm sharing the information with them, and that's simple it is. So do not forget to leave a like. The link for the Telegram group is going to be in the comment section. The first comment, the link, the pinned one. Go over there. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. That makes me create, makes me invent, makes me, I don't know, be productive and creative in terms of the YouTube. And this is what I'm really willing to do. I enjoy, you know, filming videos and talking about trading and stuff. Thank you for watching. Have a great, lovely day, morning, afternoon, night, evening, everything. Thank you for watching. If you have been eating, bon appetit. What did I say? Bon appetit. Yeah. Goodbye. Thank you.